morning students, welcome to our e-learning class. In previous class we have done up to exercise 66. Today we will start from exercise 67. Now in exercise 67 it is addition of time. In time the addition and subtraction is a little bit different. Okay, so just you concentrate for the addition as well as for the subtraction and then you do the sums. Okay, suppose number 1, it is given 8 hours 15 minutes and 6 hours 35 minutes. Okay, I am not writing the question directly, I am writing in the columns. This side hours and this side minutes. It is given 8 hours and 50 minutes. Next is given 6 hours 35 minutes. When you will add this one, this is 5 plus 5, 10, carry 1, 3, 4, 5. It is less than 60. So you will leave this minute as it is. But if it is more than 60, that time you have to transfer it. This is in minute. Now hours. Add this 8 plus 6 will be 14. So 14 hours and 50 minutes is the answer for number A. Now let us do number 3. The same way you will write hours, minutes. You have to frame it in the column. For hours it is 10 and for minutes it is 38. Now 7 hours and 52 minutes. 7 hours 52 minutes. Now add this one. This will be, see, 8 plus 2, 10, carry 1. 5 plus 3, 8, plus 1, 9. And here it is 17 hours. Okay, now just see, in 1 minute there are 60 seconds, but here it is 90, more than 60. So you will break this 90 into 16. How you will break? It will be 60 plus 30 minutes. This will be 60 plus 30 minutes. So 60 plus 30 means 90. Now 60 minutes means 1 hour. So this 60, it will go here and it will add with this hours, because 60 minutes means 1 hour. So this 17, it will change into 18 hours and this will be 30 minutes. So this is the change for addition in time. Whenever you are adding in time, you have to convert it. If it is more than 60, that time you will convert. But in the first question, it is less than 60. That's why we have not converted. But if it is more than 60, in that case you have to convert it. Okay. So this is number 3. Let's do number 5. Question number 5. Here it is given in minutes and seconds, not hours, minutes and seconds. So you will give the heading as minutes and seconds. 25 minutes and 28 seconds. Next one is 7 minutes and 2 seconds. Now add it. This will be 8 plus 2, 10, carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3. This is in seconds, and in minutes will be 7 plus 5, 12, carry 1, 3. So 32 minutes and 30 seconds. This is the answer for number 3. And this is the answer for number 3, and that is for number 5. So same thing, here it is less than 60, that's why we are not converting. But if it is more than 60, that time you have to convert it. Now let us do number 9. Question number 9. In question 9, it is in hours, minutes and seconds. 3 units are involved. Hours, minutes, second. So you will write hours, then minutes and then seconds. For hours, it is 8 hours, 34 minutes and 28 seconds. Next is 5 hours, 45 minutes and 2 seconds. Now add it. Just see, 8 plus 2, 10, carry 1. This is in second. 4 plus 2, 6, plus 1, 7. This is in minute. 9 and 3 plus 4, 7. And now this is in hours. 8 plus 5, 13. So 13 hours and 79 minutes and 70 seconds. Now you have to convert this minute as well as seconds, because we have only 60 seconds in 1 minute, isn't it? Here it is given 70. So this 60 it will be, this 70 it will be 60 plus 10 seconds, and this 79 it will be 60 plus 19 minute, and this will be as it is 13 hours. Okay, 79 minute I have converted into 60 plus 19, because 1 minute it has 60 minutes, 1 hour it has 60 minutes. Similarly 70 second I have converted into 60 plus 10. Now this 60 makes 1 minute, so it will go and it will add here with 19. And this 60 minute makes 1 hour, so it will go and it will add in the hours. So the answer is 14 hours, 20 minutes and 10 seconds. Okay, 14 hours, 20 minutes and 10 seconds. So this is the answer for addition of question number 9. Clear? So this way you will do the addition in time. Now come to the next question. We will do subtraction now. Okay. Number 11. Question 11. It is given hours and then minutes. Okay. So 4 hours, 43 minutes from 8 hours, 30 minutes. So 8, 30 minutes and 4, 43 minutes. Subtract it. This will give you what? How you will subtract? See, here it is bigger number. So what you will do, you have to carry from this side. In addition, we were adding here, but in subtraction, you have to take carry, because 30 is less than 43. You cannot subtract. So you have to carry. What you will carry? You will carry from hours. So 8, it will be 7. Now 1 hour is converted from hours to minute. That means it will be 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 60, and already we have 30. So this will be 60 plus 30, 90 minutes. So 90 minus 43. 90 minutes minus 43. Subtract it. This will be 7. 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 47 minutes. And this one is 7 minus 4. 3 hours, 47 minutes. The answer is 3 hours and 47 minutes. So in place of subtraction, you have to carry from hours, but when it will go in the minute, it will convert into minutes. Okay, and if here it is minute, here it is second, so you will carry from minute and it will go to the seconds and it will convert as in 60s. Okay, because 60 minutes make 1 hour and 60 seconds make 1 minute. Now question number 14. See, in 14 it is given minutes and seconds. Minutes and seconds. So 8 minutes and 12 seconds. You have to subtract 6 minutes and 44 seconds. The same way you have to do. You will carry from minute, since 12 is less than 44. So you have to take it from minute. So this 8 minute it will become 7, and 1 minute when it will go in place of second it will be 60, and 12 is already there, so plus 12, that means 72. So 72 minus 44. This you will get 4 and 3. So 34 seconds. sorry, this will not be 34. 12 and this is 4, so it will be 8. 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 7. This is 38. 5, 6, 7, 2, 28. Yes, it is 28, and for minutes it will be 1. That means 1 minute and 28 seconds. So this is the answer for number 14. One more we will do. This is number 15. Okay. So 15, again minutes and seconds. You will write minutes and seconds. From 17 minutes, you have to subtract 8 minutes. Now here it is given 38 minutes and 30 seconds. But here nothing is given. That means you will write 0, 0. Now start subtraction. You cannot subtract from 0, 0. So this 0, 0, here it will be 16 and this will be 60. As 0 is there, so it will be 60. So 60 minus 30 is 30 seconds, isn't it? And this is 60 and this is 8. 8 minutes. So the answer is 8 minutes 30 seconds. Clear? In subtraction, you have to carry in the first one, whereas in addition, you will add normally and you will convert at the answer. Okay. In addition, in the down portion, it means in the after the adding you are converting, whereas in subtraction you are first converting and then you are doing the subtraction. Clear? So whatever the rest of the questions are, you practice at home. Whatever we have left, you practice at home. Today up to this only, and we will do our next class in our next day. Thank you all of you.